This video will show you how to create and maintain mailboxes. Now you probably don't know what a mailbox is just yet, but we're about to show you. Whether logged in or not, a user at the SCYM website will have these links at the bottom of the page. So if we click one of these, we'll get a form that allows you to send email to, well, the web support person or the clerk or whoever we clicked. And then once you filled in the form, you just click the button. And an email is sent. Now, the reason we use these forms is that if you put an actual email address on the site, it's likely to be harvested by spammers and used to send spam. So the form doesn't actually display the email address, so we can use that without worrying about who's obtaining our email address. So now let's see how this works. In order to make changes to the mailbox system, you need to sign in. And in your account, you must be authorized as an administrator or a content manager. So I'll log in as myself here. Okay, now on the little gear icon up here, we have several utilities that are available to administrators and content managers. And what we want is mailboxes. Now, each email address that's associated with a mailbox has a mailbox code and a name that's displayed on the email form, and of course an email address. We can also put in a description to tell us what it's about. This is only available to the administrator. So to make a change, if we want to delete one, of course we just click delete. To edit, we click edit, and then we can just save changes. Okay, so anytime we bring up one of these forms, it will use this information. You'll notice, perhaps, that there are many entries for friends meetings and worship groups, and these use a special code that is associated with the meeting or worship group. We'll talk about that a little more in just a bit. But first, now that we've made a change to one, let's create one. As you can tell, the form is just the same as the form for making updates, except you need to enter a code, and the code needs to be unique. That is, it doesn't match any other codes. It should be, I think 10 characters or less and be in uppercase. Okay, so now somewhere down here we have a new mailbox. There it is. Well, that's pretty cool, but how do we use it? I'll show you now how to link to a mailbox in a new page. So we'll go to click the pencil icon and we'll just create a page. Okay, so we'll turn this into a link. There's the link icon. And here we'll put the URL as so let's create a link. We'll select this text. Oh, no. Never mind. Okay, now let's select Terry here, and we'll turn this into a link by clicking the link icon here. And then the URL we put will be slash mail form. And case counts here, it's capital M, capital F in mail form, question mark, box equal, and our mailbox ID, which is our mailbox code. Okay. So we'll just save this. And here's our page. And if we click the link, it goes to the mailbox, and everything works just fine. Okay, now a little note here to end with about how this integrates with the meetings list. When you're setting up a mailbox for a meeting, you don't really have to worry about going to the mailbox page and setting that up. This is done automatically for you. So let's click on this. Now, of course, only administrators and content managers will get this edit button, but you all can click edit. And then down here we do have an email address, and you can change the current email address, or you can enter a new one, whether it's blank or not, and that will automatically fix up. I'll just, for testing purposes, I'll give it mine. And we'll save changes. Now, you didn't see anything happen really, but back over here in the mailboxes administration page, and we find the Fayetteville address, which we just updated. Let's see, Fayetteville. There. And you can see that the email address has been updated. So ordinarily you wouldn't need to bother with this, but I just wanted to show you how it works.